OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite, lightning speed. All-out play. 7,000 milliampere hour battery. That's 2 days power in your pocket. Your phone dies at 8 p.m.?
Ouch, mine's still going. 2 a.m. Sunday.
Next level performance. Let's move. 90 frames per second gaming. No lag. No excuse. 144 Hz display. Daylight clear. Oxygen OS 16. Clean, fast, 5 years smooth. Every swipe, scroll, and game. Like butter on a hot pan. 50 megapixels. Capture friends. Capture lunch. So clear, you can count the crumbs.
Technology.
Crazy power. Pure play. Nord CE6 Lite.